Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo games on your ROG Ally. To begin, you'll need to understand the core components. An emulator, which is software that mimics a Nintendo console, and game files, often called ROMs. It's crucial to obtain these game files legally from games you already own. We'll then look at how to set up your ROG Ally for the best gaming experience, ensuring smooth performance and responsive controls. This initial setup is key to enjoying your favorite titles on the go. Next, selecting the right emulator is vital. For Nintendo Switch titles, popular choices include Yuzu or Ujinx. If you're aiming for Nintendo 3DS games, Citra is an excellent option, while Dolphin handles GameCube and Wii. After choosing, download and install the emulator. Remember, some emulators require specific firmware files and decryption keys to function correctly. Always ensure these are obtained legally, often from your own console, to comply with copyright laws. Once your emulator is installed, it's time to add your game files. Navigate to the emulator settings to specify the folder where your ROMs are stored. Then, optimize the graphics and performance settings. You might adjust resolution, upscaling, or frame rate limits to suit the ROG Ally's powerful hardware and its vibrant 7-inch display. Finally, configure the controls, ensuring the built-in joysticks, buttons, and triggers are perfectly mapped for an authentic Nintendo gaming feel. To get the best experience, fine-tune your ROG Ally's performance. Experiment with different resolutions and upscaling options within the emulator, and consider adjusting the ROG Ally's power profiles for demanding games. If you encounter issues like stuttering, audio delays, or graphical glitches, check the emulator settings for specific fixes or driver updates. Don't hesitate to consult online communities. They are a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and discovering advanced optimization techniques to enhance your gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.